Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute alarm clock.
Let's start drawing.
To start, I'm going to draw a circle. Then a slightly larger one around it. Then I draw the hands like this. Now let's decorate it like this. Now I draw 2 bells on top. And finally, her 2 legs. Now let's draw a cute face for her. I draw her cute eyes. How cute! And 2 cheeks and a smiling mouth. Great!
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red here, like this. Then yellow. Light green, light blue, purple, and pink. Light red for her mouth, and gray. Fantastic!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.